Back on the channel with another video, and today we're gonna do an unboxing and we're gonna go through all the specifications for this new release CUBOT Note 20 Pro device, coming from that budget zone and so-called budget king also, which is the upgraded version of popular Note 20. And the difference between them, well, we have a better chipset, better RAM and better storage. So this is the box. Looks quite interesting, looks like a book actually. It's quite slim, not heavy, and you can feel that it's something inside, probably something interesting. We got a 6.5-inch HD plus water drop screen, 6 GB of RAM plus 128 storage. We got a MediaTek 6771, which is an Helio P60. Also we got a rear camera 12 megapixel, front camera 8 megapixel, Type-C cable, a huge battery, and Android 10. Also, if you can see on the box right here, it says that it's designed by CUBOT. We're gonna open this box, we're gonna have a look and see why is this budget device that interesting. One reason is the price, because this device is coming with a very good price for all these specifications, and you're gonna find a link in the description if you want to have a look, and you may be surprised by the price. Okay, let's open the box, see what do we have inside. That's it. Wow, quite interesting. And look at this, this is the device. Looks really good. This halo effect with all those camera looks very interesting on a budget device like Note 20 Pro. Okay, so let's see. We got a thank you card right here, and if you want you can read in so many languages. And on the paper is just telling you how to open the back cover, how to remove the battery, remove the insulation film and install the battery, because surprising, this device it's coming with detachable battery. Wow, quite interesting. Okay, so we got the thank you paper. What else we got in the box? Let's have a look. We got the Type-C cable right here. That's it. And we got this adapter, 10 watts. And what else we got in the box? Another paper and another paper and a quick start guide if you want. And last we got something interesting here. Probably this is gonna help us to open the SIM tray, and it looks like a mini arrow, which is quite cool. I like it. Okay, let's put everything aside and let's have a look on the phone. And surprising, we got also a case already installed and it's applied on the device. It's a silicone case, quite nice. And wow, the texture of the back of this device looks so good. We got this finish made rubberized coating. It's making the device to look quite stylish, and it quite feel very comfortable into the hand. Wow, really cool. This mate, it's really good, which makes me to not even wear this silicone case. Wow, amazing. The quad camera lenses, if you can see right here, are placed in a halo ring module on the rear for extra cool design. And you can get this device in 3 colors. Black, which is this one, looks really good on this matte black finish, in a green color and into the blue color. On the front seems that we have already applied a screen protector, and we're just gonna peel this off. Wow, really nice. And the device doesn't look very cheap. At least look at this back. You wouldn't say this phone cost probably 100 pounds. At least this black finish and this halo effect on the back looks to feel quite premium. But I didn't turn it on. and we're gonna do it in the following minutes. Let's have a look. What do we have? We got the power button and volumes on the right side. Also we got the jack audio if you want to listen music. On the left side we got nothing, and on the back we got the USB Type-C support and the speaker grill, which is on the left side right here. Okay, if you want to open this back, you got a small hole right here, which is quite nice. I haven't done this for quite a long time. Wow, interesting. And that's it. This is the back. And if you want to take the battery off, probably it's another hole right here. It's quite easy. And we're gonna take this off. And this is the battery of this CUBOT Note 20 Pro. Okay, let's put it back on. And if you can see right here, this device supports 2 SIM cards and 1 micro SD card up to 128 gigabytes. So it's a dual SIM plus another support for micro SD. Okay, let's put this cover back on the phone. Quite easy. Wow, interesting. And let's turn on this device. After a quick setup, we are ready to use this device. We got a really nice large screen, 6.5 inch HD plus water drop screen with round the corners all over. And let's have a look. What do we have on this K menu? We got Wi-Fi, mobile data, Bluetooth, ringing, screenshot, location, and you got also NFC. So you got NFC on this King budget device. You got the airplane mode, you got torch, which is working quite good. Let's see what else we got. Auto rotate, battery saver, do not disturb, and screencast. Wow, that's good. Probably this is to project everything you got on the phone on your TV, for example. Okay, let's go on the menu now. And this is pretty much quite basic. It's quite stock Android 10 wireless update. You can do an update on this device. If you can see, we got Android version 10. And let's go back and we're gonna have another look on all these specs. You got Wi-Fi. You can do a hotspot with this device, so you can share your internet to other devices. Connected devices, Bluetooth and NFC to make payments, except Google Pay. Okay, battery. The battery is 4200 mAh battery, and like I said, surprising that it's detachable, and also it offers a standby time up to 300 hours, which is quite good. So you can charge also this battery on 10 watts. Okay, we got display right here, brightness level, night light. Okay, adaptive brightness, so this will adapt the brightness, depends where you are, outside, inside. We got also wallpaper indicator light. Wow, that's good. So you're gonna have a light somewhere right here which indicate charging or low battery or miss an event like an SMS notification. Okay, we got dark theme. Wow, that's also good. Screen timeout, I don't want that. Okay, let's switch back on light. Okay, auto rotate, lift to wake. Let's go back. And we got storage. Like I said, this one is coming with quite enough storage from the beginning, 128 gigabytes. Also, you can put another 128 gigabytes with the help of a micro SD card. You got location, which is good if you want to use your phone like on Google Maps or navigate to find different places. Security now. We got face unlock, and we're just gonna activate this feature. Okay, so I just add my face, and now let's do a quick test. And it's working quite good, if I can see. Confirm the pattern. Yeah, let's do one more time. Yeah, really good. So we got Face ID, which is really good also. We got the navigation bar, so you can switch these buttons, depends how you like it. Let's leave like this one. Navigation bar, which is also quite a nice feature. And we got digital well-being, show your data. This is showing you how many minutes, hours you spend on different apps. What else we got? Google, languages, and this one is coming with quite a lot of languages. You can add a language. If you can see, it's multi-language. And also this phone can be shipped from China or can be shipped from Europe. Also, I saw that the phone is very sensitive on touching, surprising good. I mean, if by mistake I'm touching something, it's very responsive, which is also very good, but at the same time you need to be careful to not touch or call somebody else. Moving on the power now. This Note 20 Pro, it's powered by an octa-core MediaTek Helio P60 chipset. It's a power efficient one and still deliver very solid performance across this board. Come on. We got also 6GB of RAM for smooth multitasking, and extra we got 128GB, so you can save lots of games and so many apps. Now let's move on the camera, and yeah, I quite like the back, and I'm saying again, this halo effect, I like it. So we got a Sony IMX486 12 megapixel camera. We got a Sony IMX 350 20 megapixel deep camera. We got an 8 megapixel AI selfie camera and a super night mode. And one more time, I'm just gonna leave you to see this beautiful back of this Note 20 Pro. On the front we got an 8 megapixel camera, which is hide on this notch right here. Let's go a bit through the settings. So we got 1x and 2x on photo mode. On video mode we got 1x and 2x. We got on beauty, face, cute, touch, take picture. What does it say? Not sure. Let's move on. Yeah, we got bokeh mode, we got a night mode also, and let's go back on video and see on what resolution we can record. So we got full HD, HD 400, and back on full HD. On settings you can choose where do you want to storage your photos, videos. Probably with that micro SD you can store your videos on that card. Picture size, you can choose from so many sizes. Shutter sound, camera, screen brightness, volume key functions. I like to zoom when I press, for example, the volume buttons. Face detection, display facial information, swipe down a preview image to show camera. Video quality, let's switch it on high, and so on. On photo, let's have a look on settings, off, on again, HDR on auto, and settings, and we just been here, so we're just gonna go back. You got this AI mode, the intelligent HDR. Okay, I know. And we got so many options right here. And we got watermark, GIF, time-lapse, beauty mode, black and white pro mode, and QR code. So we got quite a lot of options right here on this camera. And before to close this video, I'm just gonna say that this CUBOT Note 20 Pro is coming with Wi-Fi 2.4G or 5G, also 802.1.1 ABGN, we got micro USB Type-C, Bluetooth 4.2, NFC and 3.5mm headphone jack. Sensors, if you're asking about sensors, support the light sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometer sensor, magnetic sensor and the gyroscope. So quite a lot of features, functions for this Budget King CUBOT Note 20 Pro. And this was the unboxing. Hope I did cover all the specifications. Also, you are gonna look on more videos about this device on the channel. I may do a gaming test soon on the channel, maybe a photo video test, or if you prefer something, just leave a comment. And also, if you like this video, give it a like, share, subscribe, and hope to see with another interesting one.